In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files. Before we get started, it's important to understand one key detail about Wix. Wix is a proprietary, cloud-based platform, which means there isn't a built-in download site button that lets you export your entire website as a fully functional set of website files. So if you are looking to download your complete site and move it somewhere else exactly as it is, Wix does not provide that option. However, what you can do is bulk download the original media assets that you've uploaded to your site. And that's exactly what I will show you in this tutorial. To begin, head over to your Wix dashboard and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you are inside the dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar. This search feature is the quickest way to find the tool you need without clicking through multiple menus, so it can save you a lot of time. Click into the search bar and type in Media. From the results that appear, select Media Manager. This will open the section where Wix stores your uploaded content, including images, videos, documents, and other site files associated with your project. Once you are inside the Media Manager, choose Site Files. This area contains the files you've uploaded to your Wix website. And from here, you can start selecting exactly what you want to download. If you only need a few files, you can manually click them one by one. If you want to select multiple files at once, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac. While clicking each file, if you want to select a consecutive group of files, you can use Shift and click to highlight a batch more quickly. This is especially helpful if you are downloading a larger set of assets and want to speed up the process. After you've selected the files you want, look over to the right-hand panel and click the Download button. Wix will then begin preparing those selected files for download, depending on the size and number of files. This may take a few moments, so just give it a second if needed. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.